So I design stores. I'm a retail designer, and just design the stores all around the world.
I see.
It's very nice to come back to this because you see all the students and the excitement, and especially the final year students and their projects. It's so much work and thought that goes into each and every project, and it's very interesting to see. It's amazing, so much creativity, and when you understand and when the designers are here and they can talk about their journey and the entire thought behind their design or everything that they're presenting, it's amazing. You just understand the story, and it's much, but it's very interesting. There was actually one guy upstairs who was working on a project on hostels and how to sort of revamp that entire concept, and he had a lot of fantastic ideas of how to divide the private and the social, and how to create an environment where you want to spend time. They had some greenery, and where they were growing their own things and everything. So that was very interesting, and it really caught my attention for sure. I think one of the strongest points here is that you have maybe smaller groups and very hands-on tutors and very hands-on teachers who can actually help to explore all this creative side of the students, and I think that's very interesting, and it's very good to do that, and that is one common thing that I've seen throughout and here as well, and that they're given the time to explore, and it starts from the foundation all the way up to the final year students. So I think that's something which is very common. Something which is different is, of course, you have enormous heritage here in India, so of course that's a huge difference because you don't get that there.